guys, today we're making my favorite, pancakes. In a bowl, combine your flour, sugar and baking powder and whisk well. Then add in your eggs and vanilla and gradually add in your milk. Doing it in small increments will prevent lumps, so it's best to do it this way. Then add in your melted butter and mix well. Using a ladle, scoop the batter onto a non-stick pan on medium heat and use the back of the ladle to spread it out a bit. Allow it to cook on the one side, and when you notice the bubbles come to the top, it's ready to be turned over. Allow it to cook for a few seconds on the other side, and you're ready to do the next one. These are very fluffy and can be served with golden syrup, cream, or even maple syrup with a pat of butter. Enjoy!